I know how important it is to take care of our hearts. No doubt, heart health matters as the heart is one of the vital organs of your body that pumps oxygenated blood throughout the body and pumps out carbon dioxide from the body. Well, keeping your heart health is crucial as it is important to deliver essential nutrients and oxygen to each and every cell. But do you know that certain foods can impact your heart health? Some foods can worsen or improve your heart health depending on what foods cause inflammation, raise bad cholesterol, and form artery blockages. Yes, foods and fruits are some of the healthiest foods that take care of your heart and keep your heart healthy. Certain heart healthy fruits can bring drastic importance to your heart health. Let's know what they could be. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Amisha. You are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel where you can explore so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and holistic disease treatment. In today's video, I will tell you about the 5 best fruits that naturally keep your heart healthy and reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. Okay, so let's begin. The first heart healthy fruit is avocado. Avocado tops the list as it is full of nutrients that supports better health. Avocados are rich in healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids which help reduce bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol HDL. Avocado also reduces inflammation in the arteries, thus leading to a lower risk of artery blockages. Apart from all these benefits, it also contains a good amount of potassium which helps keep your blood pressure in check. A medium-sized avocado has 487 mg of potassium. Now, let's come to the second heart-healthy fruit. Yes, it is orange. It is really very helpful in maintaining better heart health as it is rich in vitamin C and fiber. It has fibers called pectin which is known for its cholesterol lowering properties which lower the risk of artery blockages in the heart. It also has the right amount of potassium which helps control blood pressure. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries and blackberries are a good source of B vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and polyphenols. Being full of potent antioxidants like anthocyanins, berries reduce inflammation and oxidative damage to arteries, leading to less plaque buildups in the arteries. They also help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol. The fourth heart-healthy fruit is the banana. Bananas are rich in B vitamins, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium and fiber. The potassium in bananas help regulate blood pressure and reduce strain on the heart, whereas magnesium has an important role in supporting a healthy heartbeat and preventing muscle cramps. Fiber-rich bananas are crucial for keeping cholesterol in check and promoting good digestion. Now, the last heart-healthy fruit is the apple. You might have heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But do you know that apples can also keep heart disease away? Yes, they are. Apples have fibers that helps lower bad cholesterol and keeps your arteries clear. They have a chemical compound called quercetin that helps prevent blood clots. These 5 fruits are undoubtedly superfoods for your heart and can be a part of your proactive health routine. Diet matters when we talk about heart health as well-balanced and anti-inflammatory foods can reduce bad cholesterol and blood pressure. But remember, diet cannot be a complete treatment if you have any cardiac issue. The best approach would be to combine a heart-friendly diet with holistic treatment, which naturally treats the disease without causing side effects. Unlike modern medicine, which advise surgery, and heavy medicines that cause severe side effects in the long run of treatment. Bharat homeopathic medicines are light and given in white sugar globules dipped in the potentized alcohol-based medicine that directly dissolve in your blood and starts acting on the disease. You will be happy to hear that Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of heart patients worldwide, and we are continuously working in the same line to bring holistic relief. We are a team of experienced doctors who prescribe personalized and customized treatment after proper case taking. No worries if you or your loved one has any cardiac issue. We are here to help you overcome your condition in the shortest possible time. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.